Of course he stopped playing with the Buckeye football as soon as I came out.
Where's Chase?
Where's your football?
Oh!
Where's your football?
Where's your football, Chase?
Behind you.
Where's...
Good night.
Where's Chase? Oh! Where's your football? Go Buckeyes! Where is it, Chase? Go get it.
Oh, he found it. Yeah. Touchdown, Chase.
Pick it up.
You taking a nap before the Buckeye game? Because it's a late game today.
Where's Chase? Where's Chase? There he is. There he is. Where's Chase? Where's Chase? Such a different kid from last week.
Tuck it and run.